Hello student, today's topic is a list. As we know that list is a data type, it is a data structure in a Python. The list is a collection of multiple elements we can say that list is a ordered sequence of elements. Then how to create a list? We simply create a list by using a square bracket, and each element is in the square bracket is separated by a commas. Second question is how to create a list in a program. Then I have simply write a variable that is known as a my list, then is equals to square bracket. It means we have created a list which does not contain any element. Then my second example is a my list 1 comma 2 comma 3. It means it is a integer list which contain 3 elements and each element is separated by the comma. My third example is a mixed data type in which I have taken a integer, a string and float. Then second, how to access element from a list. As we know that when we access elements from a string, we have to write a for loop by using a element, individual element, or by using a index position. Similar in the list, we can access element by using list index position and by using the elements, individual element. For example, in this, if I want to take the first element, then I have to write that is my list 0. It means it will print first element. Then my list 2, then it will print third element, and so on. Next, negative indexing. As we know that again list is a sequence of a ordered sequence of a sequence, whereas string also a sequence of a characters. Similar that the string is have a negative indexing, and positive indexing. Similar that the list has a negative indexing and positive indexing, similar as a string. If I go through this example, then I have there is a string, that is there is a list probe, then it is a positive indexing, whereas it is a negative indexing. The negative indexing is started with the last element of the list, whereas positive indexing is started with the first element of the list. Positive indexing start with the 0 and negative indexing is start with the -1. How to slice list in a Python? It is similar as the string. जैसे हम string में करते हैं सेम काम हम क्या करते हैं लिस्ट की स्लाइसिंग बनाने के लिए करते हैं. स्लाइसिंग मीन इट इज़ अ सब पार्ट या सब लिस्ट ऑफ अ ओरिजिनल लिस्ट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, I have seen this example 2:5. It means 2:5 means it started with the 2 indexing, then go to 4, that is 5 minus 1. My list colon -5. It means it is started with from the starting and ended with the -6. Print -5. It means it started with the 5 and go end of the list. Then how to change or add elements in a list. Again, list is a mutable type. We can change element of a string by using its index position. For example, I have a list that is odd 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma add, and I want to change this 2 with 1. Then I simply write the index position where is 2 is stored. As we know that 2 is stored in a 0th position, then odd 0 is equals to 1. Then it means it replaces the 2 by 1. Same example, if I want to change the 4, then I know that the 4 is stored in a position 1. Then I have to write 1 is equals to 3. Then the 4 is replaced with the 3. Then we can add one element by using append method. Append is used to add one single element at the last of the list. And if I want to add multiple elements or a list in a string, then we use extend method. In this example, it is clearly explained that odd append to 7. It means we have to that is 7 is added in the list at the last of 5. Similarly, extend method, first original list, then the added element या added list. We can also use plus operator to combine two lists, whereas the multiplication operator is used to repeat the same thing. If I want to print this list re 3 times re 3 times, I have to simply write print, then is you must multiply by 3, then it will be print 3 times, same as a string. Then we have to use also insert method, but there is a difference in an insert method. Insert method, we have to insert in a particular index position. If I want to add some element in a 3 in a position 1, then I have to use the insert method. For example, in this we have a list odd is equals to 1 comma 9, then I have to insert, there is 1 is a position, that is index position, and 3 is the element. Then I simply write odd dot insert 1 comma 3. It means in the list, in the 1 position, the 3 will be added. Okay, then I print this list and print, or then I have find the output 1 comma 3 comma 3 1 comma 3 comma 9. It means the 3 is placed in the 1th position. Second, I also add the multiple elements in the string, similar. Then I have do this 2 colon 2. It means 2 is a index position, whereas 2 is a number of elements. If I print this, then I will get 1 3 5 and 7. It is the inserted element. Then how to delete or remove an element? By using del method and by using keyword del. Del is not a method, del is a keyword. Or by using pop method, we can remove an element from a list. If I write del my list, means it is completely delete the list from the programming. If I write del my list 2, it means the 2th position या 2th की जो index position है वो वाला element delete हो जाएगा. I use the pop method. In pop method, we have use the pop method. In pop method, if there is a no index, then it will remove the last element. But if I give the index, then it will remove the first element. If I don't write any numbers or any arguments in this, if it is empty, then it remove the last element. But if write any index position, that it will be remove element or delete element at that particular position. Then second, we can also delete a element from we can also delete item list by assigning an empty list to a slicing list. These are the second method. There are some list method which we have already taken in 11th class. Append method we discussed, extend method we discussed, insert method we discussed, remove we discussed, pop we discussed. Clear, it means remove all the elements. Then index position, if I want to search any element in the list, then it will be written the index position. Then count, how if I want to count the count this element is coming in the, then I will use count method. Again sorting, it is arrange all the elements in a string. Reverse, it reverse all the elements of a list. And copy, returns a solo copy of the list. These are the simple methods. You have to write down these things in your copy, in your notebook. Next, list comprehensive. It means we have to create a list from another existing list. Then for example, there is a pow is equals to 2 to the power x for x in a range 10. It means कि हमें क्या करना है, 2 की पावर में एक लिस्ट बनानी है जिसके जो एलिमेंट होंगे वो किससे लिए जाएंगे, जो ये वाली कोडिंग है इससे लिए जाएंगे। तो ये लिस्ट को एक एलिमेंट या एक एलिमेंट प्रोवाइड करेंगे, इसलिए इसको कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव मेथड कहा जाता है। इट इज़ नॉट इन योर सिलेबस बट जस्ट रीड आउट इट हाउ टू क्रिएट अ एलिमेंट and it should be explored. Next, membership operator. As we discussed in a string, there is a in operator and on not in operator. In operator returns true if element is in the list, if such element in the list, and not in operator return true if such element is not in the list. If I write P in my list, then it will return P in my list, it will return true. If I write A in my list, then A is not in the list, present in the list, so it return false. C not in the my list, it means C is not present in the list, or we are using not in operator, then it will return true. That's iteration through an element. It is simply by using an element, individual element for a individual an element. For example, fruit in name of the list, then it will print, then this fruit will take the individual one by one element in the list. These are from the list, so take care and note down these examples in your book and also executes these simple programs. Thank you.